Welcome to Asha SEO Specialist. Today I'm breaking down the basics of SEO, search engine optimization. In just a few minutes you'll understand why SEO is the backbone of online success. SEO is the process of improving your website to rank higher on search engines like Google or Bing. When your website ranks higher, more people find you, and that means more opportunities to grow your business. Why is SEO important? Let's explore the benefits. 1. Increased website traffic. SEO brings organic visitors to your website. 1. Better user experience. It makes your site faster and more user-friendly. 1. Builds credibility. High-ranking websites are seen as trustworthy. 1. Cost-effective marketing. SEO delivers long-term results with less expense. 1. Reaches targeted audiences. SEO connects you to the right people searching for your products or services. There are different types of SEO: on-page SEO, optimizing content, titles, and keywords. Off-page SEO, building links and boosting online reputation. Technical SEO, ensuring your website runs smoothly. Local SEO, targeting customers in your area. Want to learn more about SEO? Visit our blog channel for tips and tutorials, and if you're ready to optimize your website, contact Asha SEO Specialist. Asha SEO Specialist WhatsApp, +91 730 410 6326 email, nick1946sheenbg@gmail.com. Let us help you rank higher, attract more customers, and grow your business with proven SEO strategies. SEO made simple, because your success is our mission.